Hey Edson, it's Mayor Zahara here to give you an update on COVID-19 for March the 26th here in the town of Edson. I'm going to talk about some of the initiatives Council is going to be undertaking in order to help our residents during this unprecedented time. I'll get to those details here in just a few moments, but I just want to run through the numbers the Chief Medical Officer of Health released a short time ago. Unfortunately, there are 67 new cases of COVID-19 in the province of Alberta in the last 24 hours, bringing our total to 486. The spread continues, which is exactly why we need to take every single precaution. Some people say, hey, it's not in Edson. Well, it actually probably is in Edson. We just don't have any confirmed cases. So take this seriously. Do everything you can. Social distancing, sanitization, self-quarantining, self-isolation. Limit your time in front of other individuals and other people, and make sure that you're washing your hands. 20 seconds to wash your hands under warm water and soap, hand sanitization, and keeping those social distancing in mind. I have had some questions about the directive from the town of Edson about making sure that we are limiting gatherings to under 10 people. That's for public spaces like parks, trail systems, areas that are in the control of the town of Edson. It does not necessarily apply to businesses or residents. However, we do encourage them to also try to adhere to those guidelines, just another measure to help prevent the spread. Now, some of the initiatives Council is going to be undertaking, the Emergency Management Advisory Committee met. It's comprised all of Council. They have made some recommendations back to Council, which will be coming at our future Council meeting, is to ensure that we're doing everything we can to help people during this unprecedented time. People are not working, businesses are closed. We know exactly the effects that are happening in our community, and we're all impacted by it. So we have directed to Council that we should be deferring utility payments for the months of March, April, May, and June. A total of 120-day deferral. I know some communities are doing 90 or 60. We're doing 120. You'll have until the end of the year to pay that balance. There'll be no penalties apply to those months, and there'll be no disconnections. So you'll have some time to catch up on those bills. If you are able to continue to pay your bills, please do so. It's really important that you do that, because those funds help operate that critical water, sewer infrastructure, waste management, and that sort of thing. The committee has also advised Council, will be recommending to Council to extend the tax deadline to September 30th as well, in order to give more people time to pay their tax notices. Tax notices will still come out, bills will still come out at the regular times, but those are just some of the initial initiatives that we are taking. We are also going to be doing a comprehensive review of our budget. Administration has been working on that since Tuesday, looking at ways on how we can reduce costs and hopefully pass those savings on to our residents. We don't have all the details yet. There's a lot of work to be done. We have a large budget, and we're going to do everything we can to pass on savings to our community members while still ensuring that we're maintaining core services and some of the longer term initiatives and plans for our community. We understand this is a really stressful time, a really uncertain time, but I am telling you, we are going to do everything we can to help out during this time of need. We'll have more details and information rolling out in the weeks and months ahead. Just give us some time to roll those out and have those discussions and get those necessary reviews done. We all are in this together. I'm very proud of our community. We are strong. We are resilient. Just be kind to one another. I know there is a ton of stress and a ton of uncertainty. People are going through a lot right now. Things were tough before this, and for many folks, and it just has made things even more difficult. But we are all in this together. We have servicing and services available. Details are available on our website at edson.ca. You can also visit alberta.ca and canada.ca. Thank you.